Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the wall crack detection using machine learning. So in that project, you have to upload any input image or video to that model and it will identify the cracks from that particular image or video. Let's open the project folder. So these are the results. Let's open it. We'll show the curves like F1 confidence curve, precision confidence curve, precision recall curve, recall confidence curve, confusion matrix, confusion matrix normalized, labels, mask F1 curve, mask P curve, mask PR curve, mask R curve, and the results of training, box loss, segmentation loss, clears loss. And these are the results. You can check it out. It will identify the cracks from that images. These all are results. It will identify the cracks with the accuracy. Let's close that. So this will be the weight file, last and best.pt. Let's go back. This will be the YOLO dataset. These are the testing images. And let's open the training images. So we have trained that model on that particular images, like 3717 images. These all are the images which we use to train the model. These all are images. Let's go back. Now these all are the labels which we are using to train the model. It will be using for the coordinates for that particular crack image. Let's go back. Now this will be the best.pd model and this will be the training code of crack segmentation. Now we are unzipping the dataset and we are installing the libraries. These are the contents. Let's scroll down. So we are importing that particular zip file. Let's close this. Now this will be the image inference code and the video inference code. Let's open it. So this will be the complete testing code and we are importing the training model and load that particular image which we have to test that for the output or result and perform the predictions and get results and creating the subplots. Let's close that. And this will be the video inference code. Let's close that. Let's run the project. Open in terminal. Write Python image inference.py. Enter. So we have given the input image and it will show the output. In the left hand side, this will be the original image and in the right hand side, it will show the segmentation result of crack from that particular image. Or you can change the image path from that particular code. This is the particular path, YOLO dataset, train and images. YOLO dataset, train and images. Okay. So let's copy the name of that particular image and replace with that name. Run the project. It will show the result. This will be the original image and in the right hand side it will show the segmentation result. It will show the cracks. Okay. Let's change the image name. The format will be the JPG format. So we have to check out the format also. Let's save here and again run the project. Okay, in the left hand side it will show the original image and in the right hand side it will show the segmentation result. It will show the crack as well. Okay, let's go back. Now check out with another image. Let's check with this particular image. We have to check the image format at JPG PNG format. Okay, in the left hand side it will show the original image, and in the right hand side it will show the segmentation result. It will show the crack with the boundary box. Let's close that. So this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching any type of project related to machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Java, Android app, and website development, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in descriptions. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.